Thorough cleaning, thorough cleaning of kitchen after each shift. This is another job. They do continuously clean it, but thorough cleaning has to be done after each shift at least. Then gas connection and upkeep of tandoor. The gas connection is not mostly in the hotel. You'll not see cylinders like how we use in the domestically we use. You will find the gas pipelines going and which are which are passing the whole kitchen and moving towards the uh, your counters where you will be cooking your food. So make sure that the gas connection are proper, there's no leakages, and it is also clean and maintained, and regular supply of gas is maintained. Tandoor, which is important section in Indian kitchen, it has to be always cleaned and maintained by the KST department as well. Gather all garbage and dispose in the correct manner. KST department is responsible for collection and disposal of all the garbages, and also it is very important to dispose it in the correct manner. Means once they collect the garbage, they must understand that where this has to be disposed. They can just not leave it on the way somewhere. Controlling the movement of stock of all food production and service equipment. This is one thing which is again very important task of a kitchen stewarding department. All the stock, now the stock we are talking about is not the uh, food stock. Okay, we are talking about the equipments. So the equipments which are used in food production and service department need to be controlled. Their movement has to be controlled by the KST department. It means if they have an inventory, let's take an example of service department, the glass, let's say the highball glasses. If your coffee shop is having 200 highball glasses in the starting of month of April 1st, 2020, if that this was the stock they have. So the KST department will be going in the end of April and again checking on 31st April what is the stock, whether there's a shortage, if the shortage is there, what is the reason behind the shortage, were there any breakages, if the things are lost or missing, or what all reasons. So they will keep a control on the movement of the stock, and it helps in controlling the cost as well. So this is one of the important factor which a KST department is responsible of, and it is an important task which is done by them. Then cleaning working areas of bar and banquets. They are not only responsible for cleaning kitchen, they are also responsible for cleaning the working areas of bar and banquets. Definitely, these people are not asked to clean the area where the guest is. Guest area is mostly cleaned by housekeeping department, but KST department is responsible for cleaning the working area, the place where the staff of the bar and the banquet are working. These areas are cleaned and maintained by the KST department. Setup of live kitchen and special work counter in banquet and restaurant. Uh, Kitchen stewarding department also helps in setting up of live kitchen. Live kitchen, sometime it is you will find these live kitchen or work counters in banquets, sometime in the coffee shop, in the specialty restaurant, or you have some event going on somewhere. So these people, they will be helping in setting up the live counters, live kitchens. Then issue stores to kitchen and service department. As we already discussed, they control the movement of stock. They also issue the kitchen and service department with the equipments which are required for these two departments. So there's a list of equipments which are managed by KST department, like dishwashing machine, ice cube machine, conveyor belt, floor scrubbing machine, garbage containers, racks, etc. Opportunities in KST. As per the hierarchy, the opportunities are ample. Hierarchy might look small, but there are many people working in the KST department. So definitely there is ample opportunity available in KST department. Less qualified candidates can also get an opportunity. It is not important. It is not necessary that the eligibility for working in a KST department is a bachelor's degree in hotel management or a PhD or higher qualification. A person who is 8th or 10th pass um, can also be qualified for a job in KST department. So it provide an opportunity and a platform for these people also, less qualified people is basically. Definite growth in the same department. There are many people who are working in KST department. Uh, they join as a KST steward and they become the stewarding manager. In if they work properly, if they have good reputation, and then their growth is stable, and they have worked hard during their career, so there is a chance that in the same department they can grow. Then chances of getting opportunity in production and service department at a later stage. This is another thing. They not only in the same department, but there are chances of getting opportunity in production and service department later stage. Mostly because what happens when they work in the kitchen in the KST department, they get lot of opportunity to help the chefs. And in the hotel, you will find many KST department people when don't have work, when they have some free time, they'll be helping the chefs in doing some small jobs, and their presence is always in the kitchen, which help them to learn through observation, and sometimes they get an opportunity also to learn through by the chef, by asking him questions, by observing, and sometimes helping the chefs. Even same thing can happen in the restaurant and the service department also. By observing, they learn a lot, and they're very smart people, and they learn and they get an opportunity to get work in service department as well. So it is very much possible for the KST staff to get a promotion in service or kitchen department. Experienced staff get opportunities in abroad as well. This is also possible. KST services are not only limited to hotel industry in India. There are many people who got good experience, good exposure in the hotel industry in India, and they're working abroad for good hotels, for cruise liners, and other individual companies. I hope with this you must have got a basic understanding about the KST department, how a kitchen stewarding department works in a hotel, what are their duties and responsibilities, what are the essential areas of knowledge, what are the essential skills required for a KST employee, and what all equipments they deal with, and what are the opportunities available for them. With this, I'll be closing it. Thank you so much.